everyone, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious fermented bean curd omelette recipe. I hope you will like it. Ingredients are eggs, fermented bean curd, carrot, and chilies. Sliced carrot. Diced chilies. Crack eggs into bowl. Add fermented bean curd into egg and beat until frothy. Stir-fry carrot slices and chilies. Pour egg liquid and flip once bottom solidified. Delicious fermented bean curd omelette is done. Smells so good. This is my first time making fermented bean curd omelette, and I didn't expect it to taste really good. You can taste the aroma of eggs combined with the salty flavor of fermented bean curd, and the crispy carrot shreds and slightly spicy chili go well together. Eggs contain a good source of lean protein and amino acids. Since it is low in calories, it can aid weight loss. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.